GSK, GlaxoSmithKline,
Yeah.
because significant decline in the shares of GlaxoSmithKline because a Delaware state court ruled that Zantac could indeed be leading to cancer. And for that, they're saying, hey, jury trials, bring them. When they announced that, Pete, they started slapping this stock pretty hard. And this is one where it's histamines. So people that, for instance, suffer hay fever and things like that, they take Zantac. You know, it's an over-the-counter, Pete. So, I mean, you don't need a prescription to get this one, not the normal formation anyway. Maybe there's a stronger formation that I'm unaware of. But this has probably had billions of doses out there. So if indeed it is causing cancers in some people, I can smell $1 billion plus settlement coming through these trials that have now been allowed by Delaware, Pete.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing, John. I mean, they do have a deep and a strong pipeline. They do have an incredible number of drugs that are out there. It is at, you know, the 2024 lows today, right around that $40 level. It's not down as much as maybe could have been down, quite frankly. I mean, this is a stock that doesn't really have a lot of volatility. It moves around a little bit, but when you look at the 52-week high and low, it's in a fairly tight range. So it's off of those highs, it's onto those lows, but not by a whole heck of a lot. So it's interesting. And to your point, John, I think this could be a multi-billion-dollar type issue if things get proven out. And certainly it looks like they're on their way to that next level. And that's something that's got to be concerning. If you're a holder, you might want to have some puts if you want to keep on holding to that. I'm not trying to push everything options, but I just think for anybody who wants to be involved there, they better have some sort of protection in place because you just never know. And obviously, if this thing's going to be in court and then you really don't know, things get a little bit dicey. This is sort of just the beginning.
Again, we're not trying to put any spin on things, folks. We've reported the news as it happened, and we're just giving you our read of what could happen if indeed this goes to those trials that the Delaware court said it could go to. And if that happens, I got to believe there'll be settlement talks, Pete, because you don't want to put this before a jury if they can bring evidence of a lot of harm done to people. Enough said.